This is an all-gas stoichiometry problem. What volume of oxygen is required to react completely with 5.00 liters of propane, C3H8, when propane is burned?
This is an all-gas stoichiometry problem. An all-gas stoichiometry problem is a special occasion where instead of being a three-step process, we can actually do this question in one step. Very similar to if we were given a mole-to-mole stoichiometry problem. Because volume is actually proportional to the number of moles, it is the one time where you don't have to work through moles to work through the stoichiometric ratio. You can actually work from volume of one gas directly to volume of another. This would never work if you were using mass, number of particles, or anything else. So we're told propane, which is C3H8, and a gas at room temperature, and we're told that it burns, so we know it reacts with oxygen gas. We know that the products are always going to be the same, carbon dioxide and water. So if we start with 1 in front of our hydrocarbon, we need to have 3 here to balance the carbon, 4 here to balance the hydrogen, and that gives me 3 2s are 6 oxygen and 4 more is 10, so I need 5 in front of O2. We're also told that here the volume is 5.00 liters, and we're asked how much oxygen is needed to react with the propane. What volume of oxygen? So instead of having to convert to moles, work moles through the equation and change back, we can work directly. And in fact, if you look at the data that you're given, you don't have enough information to get to moles. You're not told what the pressure and temperature are. You're not told that you're at STP, for example. So there is no way for you to actually calculate moles, nor is there any need. As long as the pressure and temperature are not changing during this reaction, which you're not, we can work from one volume to another. So volume of O2 is the volume of C3H8 times the mole ratio required over given, so 5 over 1 in this case. So 5.00 liters times 5 over 1 is 25.0 liters. So as usual, check it out. Let me know if I made any mistakes. Make sure you work through it yourself. Make sure you do a few similar examples from your workbook for practice.